Hi guys, quick video here. I was contacted by this company here and they do have an Amazon store, and I will be sure to link it down below. Also, they do have a website. It is jofayfashion.com. There it is right there. Now, I have already recorded this video and I had to record it again because I lost the footage. So, I have already tried out these nails. Okay, I have already tried out these nails. I did put a set on. I wore them to work. And here they are right here. So I'm just going to give a little close-up of the 3 sets right here. Here's number 1. It's like a pink to white ombre set. The pink is... Can you guys see that? There we go. I feel like the white part is kind of milkier. You know, it is more... What's the word that I'm looking for? Is it transparent? Let's just go with milky. The white is kind of milkier on top, and then the pink is more, more opaque. Does that make sense? Am I making any sense? So there goes that one. Here is the code, or whatever it's called, for that one. Why am I shaking? Probably just got it because I just got off of work and still running around. My body's still running around. Okay, so this is the second set here. I do love all of the sets, and I, by the way, was able to pick out all 3 sets. These sets were not just picked and given to me. I was able to pick these 3 sets. So these are the 3 sets that I chose. I thought this one was really cute because it had flowers on it and spring is here. So I thought that these were perfect for the spring and summer, really. So I'm not going to be able to put these on because I have a set on right now. So I'm not going to be able to wear these. But what I think I can do is maybe try my silicone hand out and see how that works. Just to give you guys kind of like a gist of what it would look like on a hand. And then I will obviously, I'm gonna have to record another video when I don't have these on and try them out for you. I can't do it right now because I have this set on. So the last set is this one right here. This is my favorite one. I wish I had these around my birthday, and those would have been really, really cute birthday nails. Super cute. I feel like the swirl is really trendy right now, and these sprinkles are just a very cute added touch. I love the drip. Super, super cute. And purple, I'm not huge into purple, but I feel like I've been getting more into purple. So in each kit, when you open it up, there are 12 sizes, and in each kit you get the directions to apply, a how-to on how to apply the nails. You do get some sticky tabs. Also, you get a glue, a cuticle wood stick, and a wood stick, and a really small file. Also, you get some lint-free wipes, which I thought was really great because that's a great bonus. Lint-free wipes. They provided lint-free wipes for us. That's awesome. And they give you more than enough. Like I said, a glue and a cuticle stick and the file. The glue tabs, and that's all that comes in the kit. That's it. That's it, okay? So I'm just going to put all of this back. I'm going to grab our silicone hand. I'm just going to put this to the side for now. And hopefully I will be able to wear these for you sometime soon. But let's talk about the nails themselves really quickly. And you see less of these nails because, like I said, I already wore a set. So I do like these because they are like thinner towards the cuticle, so they can fit beautifully at your cuticle. I love that they look very natural looking. They don't really look like a press-on. This is what the tip looks like. Very thin. You can almost see through the top here, but towards the bottom you cannot see. It becomes more opaque. Beautiful tip. Nice and strong towards the tip of the nail. Very durable, I would say. It doesn't feel like it's going to break at all or crack, so that's a really good thing. Every nail is numbered. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and grab my silicone hand. Alright, so we are going to try these out just so you guys can see what they look like. That's really pretty. I do love this set, and this is the one that I chose to wear first because I thought it was, you know, the one that was, I wanted to save this one for like a beautiful day when we're gonna go out and it's like nice and warm outside and I can like match my outfit or something. I thought that would be cute. I don't know when I'm gonna be able to wear these, but these I feel like can be worn anytime for any event even. And you know why I like these? I love this because you can literally take this and do your nails anywhere. It comes with everything that you need. The only thing that you don't have is alcohol. It doesn't come with an alcohol wipe, so you would just maybe need a little bit of alcohol because remember, they give you lint-free wipes. They give you everything that you need, and you can literally do your nails in the car. You can do your nails on the go, on the bus. You can do them right before you go to work. You can do them at work right before right before you clock in or something. If you lose one, I'm sure that it's really easy to fix, right? So I'm just going to continue to put these. The thing is that my silicone hand, the cuticles, look how tiny they are. And so to put a bigger nail, it just doesn't sit right. See? It doesn't sit right. So I've got to go with something smaller. I probably am going to go look into a different silicone hand because I really want a silicone hand that has maybe the cuticle just a little wider, just a bit more, because I feel like I'm not able to kind of switch up the size of the tip really because they always have to be really small tips because the cuticle area is really small. See that? And the nail just is not going to sit right because it's a silicone hand. It's not a natural hand, guys, so it's not going to sit correctly, and that's okay. We're just doing this for the video. Again, I'm going to have to make another video and try these out for you guys. I'm sorry that I lost the footage, but things happen and we will try again. But there isn't the complete set of this one because like I said, I have already worn these. But I lost the footage, so that is unfortunate. I should be able to do my nails one more time because they give you enough nails to wear them at least twice, I believe, for each set. So these are really, really pretty. I think that also, yes, also you get really, really tiny pinkies, but these are so tiny. Like, I don't know who that's gonna fit, but they're white and there's 4 of those. So I thought that that was interesting. But here is this set. We're gonna try the next set. So here's my favorite out of the 3. I just don't know where I'm gonna be able to wear this one anytime soon because my birthday already passed. But I'm gonna hold on to them because I'm sure there'll be some sort of occasion where I can wear them. But I still think they're super cute. And again, the swirls are definitely in right now. Oh, these are super cute. Super cute. Excuse the way that they fit on my silicone hand. It's not a natural hand. That's Why, guys? But look how cute. Super cute. Like, hello. Super cute. These are cute. Very, very cute. And with some charms. Or just by themselves. Very cute. Love them. Love them. All right. On to the next pair. All right. Here is our last pair. Or set. Now, this is cute because I'm seeing a lot of nails with this color here, that kind of like peachy pink color. And I love that because I love that color. And they give you variety. They give, ooh, these feel matte. These are nice. These are really nice. So the pink and the white nails are matte. I believe the flower nails are matte as well. But these feel really nice. And I do want to say, I don't think I mentioned that these also come in different sizes. So there's different designs on their site or shop on Amazon, and also there are different sizes. So there are so many to choose from, and I love that they give you different sizes. Some people have a bigger thumb, so this is like for me, for some reason I have a wider thumb, so one of these would actually be really perfect for me. This would be super cute. I think I might wear these. Yes. I am loving this shape. As you can see, I'm loving this shape right now. I don't know why. They come with a little bit of an apex. These come with kind of a slight C-curve, which is nice. Some people don't like C-curve, but see that? Slight C-curve. These are really nice. They feel really nice. They are pliable, so you can get them on, you can get them to sit on your nail really well. Let's see. Oh, these are cute. They're kid friendly as well, non-toxic. These would be awesome for the kids. And if you're not great at doing nails, don't worry, because you'll be okay. These are really, really easy to apply, beginner friendly. Look how beautiful and natural that looks. Look how beautiful. Really pretty, right? And so so cool. They give you different options, so you can like change it up if you want. Got polish on my hand. Super cute. Very, very cute. Let's see. I wonder if they have any thumbs that have flowers. I don't think so. I think all the thumbs are the pink or the peachy color. But I do like that they have a couple of flower nails. That's really cute. And I feel like 2 flowers would be super cute for the set. And it's cool because they're, you can change them up. They're interchangeable, so you can. They're not gonna sit right in this hand because my silicone hand is so tiny. Little cuticles, and these nails are not that big. Super cute. Super cute. Love them. I think that these, again, are super beginner friendly. So if you are in a pinch on the go and you don't have time to do your nails, perfect. These sets are perfect. I'm trying to find the last nail. Shout out to Jofay Fashion. for sending me, first of all, for contacting me and sending me these kits and allowing me to choose. Allowing me to choose what kits I wanted. I really, really appreciate that. I'm not seeing a nail that will fit, that are small enough. Like, these are too big for my hand. And I was trying to switch it up for you. And sorry, guys. One-handed. And show you, are there different flowers? Oh, no. But some of them have two flowers. Some of them have one flower. As you can see, very pretty. Looks like they were, you know, handmade, not like printed out with like a machine. And I love the way, I love that look. So I'm going to say that they don't have any big sizes. If you have tiny little fingers, these will work for you. They will not work for probably somebody like me, because I have kind of a little bit bigger, like this. This is so tiny. Where is this going? This might fit, not even. Look how tiny that is. It's not gonna, they're not gonna fit me. They're not gonna fit me. So if you have tiny, tiny fingers, again, this will work for you. I don't even have, let's see. I think this is too small. Yeah. So pretty much all of the bigger nails are the pink, and they look like thumbs. But that's okay. We are, for the video, that's what we'll do. Just so that you can see something. Super cute though. I think they're cute, you know. Like, the nails themselves are very, very cute. Will they fit on me? Not sure. At least this set. This set might not. I don't think this set will, because it's too small. They run a little tiny. Right? These have a little bit bigger sizes, I believe. As well as this one. So, this set just runs really small. But I love them. I love them a lot. They're super cute, but again, I don't think they're going to fit me because they're too small. So I'm going to put them back. And I'm hoping that I can find somebody that will fit them. If not, they're going to go on my second giveaway. So go ahead and look out for that. If you'd like to win these, because they're not going to fit me. Thank you guys for watching, and again, shout out to Jofay Fashion for sending me these nails. I love them so much, and I will attempt to try to put them on again, because I did try to wear them, and then I think I lost one, but maybe this time I will record when I'm doing them. Oh, well, I did record when I'm doing them, but I lost the footage. But I should have kind of recorded like the wear and tear of me wearing them. You know what I mean? That's what I should have recorded. But I recorded the process of me opening, unboxing them, applying these, and then I lost it. But I should have recorded that week that I was wearing them and the wear and tear, which I didn't do. So maybe when we try these again, we will try that process again. But I love them. They're cute. I hope you try them out. Again, I will leave all of their information in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.